Have you ever found yourself taking over a project when a colleague leaves? Or inheriting an existing campaign with almost zero context? The process usually goes something like this. You get a bunch of links, and if you're lucky, maybe a quick note like, "This is for a retention campaign." Your head is spinning, you're not sure where to start or what to do next. But here's the good news. If those automations and campaigns were built in ActiveCampaign, you have a trusty copilot with active intelligence. Let's say you want to understand how a specific email is performing. You can start by asking Active Intelligence, "How is email ID 26085 doing?" You just insert the campaign ID, and Active Intelligence will give you a high-level performance summary. No digging through dashboards, no exporting data into spreadsheets. You get instant insights on what's working and what's not. Next, let's tackle the automation you inherited. Open the automation in question, then open the Active Intelligence sidebar. Now ask, "Can you explain at a high level what this automation is accomplishing?" Active Intelligence will break down that flow for you. What would have taken hours of digging through conditions you aren't familiar with, trying to piece together all the logic and emails, you now have a clear, high-level understanding in seconds. Now that you understand what you're working with, it's time to figure out your next move. Is this email and automation successful? Or should we change our approach? And just like that, you get actionable recommendations. Should you update it? Rebuild it with a new approach? Active Intelligence helps you move from insight to action faster. What would have taken hours of manual work, you now have in minutes. Active Intelligence is your always-on marketing partner, helping you get up to speed on any project fast. For more examples and tips on using Active Intelligence, check out the Steal These Prompts blog series linked below. We've analyzed over 9,200 prompts and pulled together real, ready-to-use examples you can copy and start using today. Thanks for watching.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.